This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, providing you with a unique grille, blacked out accents, unique rims, and black interior cloth. Is powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and also has vinyl flooring that's easier to clean. In the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And then you can also go into further information and details. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. Moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C. Then down below, you have another USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders, a large bin or cubby, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.